Welcome to another exciting episode of Musa and Show. Here is what we have today.
We've got the DSTV School Netball Challenge. We've got all these exciting things to get our children away from the street. I always say a kid in sport is a kid out of court.
Sanibonani, kule video namuhla ngifisa sikhulume ngesimo esehlela ama-artist wethu. Ukwabona ukuthi umuntu adume, abusaziwayo waziwayo kodwa mzukwane eshonile akanamali. Omunye adume emveni kwesikhathi uma evela vele ehluphekile kungathi akusuye lo wake wamazi noma okwambona kwe-TV yakho noma okwamuzwa ecula. Ngifisa sikhulume ngalokho. Kune video engiyibonile kangizwe Nkosi Mchunu ngizoyidlala la le video ngoba ngifisa sikhulume ngalokho. Ngiyacela ke subscribe ku channel, like i-video, comment, ngeze ukuphawula kwakho ngalolu daba. Ujoin membership yale channel iqala ku 20 rand ngenyanga ukuya phezulu. Ukusupporta nje le channel kuze le content ngiqhubeke ngize nayo ebantwini. Membership izoyisiza kakhulu i-channel ukuthi ikhule. Ngiyawacela ke ama donation, ngiyazicelela nje.
IGNU Mongameli Cyril Ramaphosa uhlanganileke namaqembu azahlukahlukene kade kuvele kunzima ukuthi wenze inqumo ezifanele ngale GNU. Sesibonileke ukuthi ezintweni ozenzile baba Cyril Ramaphosa nokunikeza abanye abantu ama-position lapha nalapha ezinye impanga lokho zazalwe ngaze iphathe ngisho engaze zibe ngisho i-prefect esikoleni. Abanye amabhantinti, abanye ziphuphuku, abanye inkothangqoko zabaholi aba different sort of parties. For an example, yabona lo mfana lo kuthiwa uGayton McKenzie, umgodoyi lo mfana, is a dog. Gayton McKenzie is a dog. How can you put a minister of arts and sport and culture oyibhantinti entweni esidinga amasiko where you need to revise and renew our country into the better future, and we need a very strong person who understands culture. uGayton McKenzie uphumela ejele uspinela imoto, emva kokuspina imoto udabuza ama-ARVs ama-ARVR la South Africa lokwebhola akuze khona uthi futhi akuze iFormula 1 alifune ize ngonyaka ozayo. uGayton McKenzie akazahlangane nathi njengeyinhlaka eziphethe kwezamasiko eziphethe kwezamaciko, akakazahlangane with any artist in this country. Yabona, so ke leyo nto leyo iyodwa is a pure insult ukuthi lo mfana uthiwa uGayton McKenzie uyini ngempela athi uyiphathele engaze consult thina. In 2 weeks time from now there will be a new financial year. Uzoyishonisa yonke leyo mali yini ayaziyo ngathi akakaze ahambele ema-province, akaze ahambele ngisho la kwaZulu. That is nonsense. That is total nonsense.
Njengoba umzulu ngizwe Nkosi Mchunu ekhuluma, kodwa ngiyafisa ukubeka kucace lokho ukuthi uMinister Gayton McKenzie uMinister we-Sports, Arts and Culture. So uMinister uphethe ezemidlalo zonke, ezamaciko kanye namasiko. So akafocusanga kuphela kwi-arts and culture. Ngifuna ukubeka cace. So ngiyamuzwa ukuthi unake indaba zalento zeyimoto oFormula 1 ufanele ngoba uyiminister ye-sports leso. Okwesibili, i-VAR kubantu ababukela ibhola nabalandela ibhola bayazi ukuthi ibaluleke kangakanani, especially kwi-South African football kwi-PSL ngoba abo coach nama player nama supporter abakhala iviki neviki ngokurojwa o referee uthatha ama decision. Nawe nje ubukele ekhaya obonayo ukuthi team le ibanjwe ngomlenze. Kodwa ke manje ngiyamuzwa ekhuluma uyibiza nge-ARV, i-VAR, i-video assistance referee, izosiza uma khona abangakuboni kahle. So lonto kuyingxenye yomsebenzi wakhe. Ngicela ukucaphunela izinto ezimbalwa nje ezishiwo ngamanye ama-artist ngoGayton McKenzie.
These legendary entertainers are smiling all the way to the bank. They will at least get an amount of 50,000 a month and more. A move Minister McKenzie says would help to alleviate the poverty in their lives.
We'll make sure that the money we put into the Legends and the Fantuka Trust will make sure that you at least every month get a 50,000.
It's an early Christmas present for these seasoned artists.
We will make sure that the money we put into the Legends and the Fantuka Trust will make sure that you at least at least every month get a 50,000 rands. That is just at least, that's the minimum. So when you budget for 50. If there's 70 coming, don't bank and invest, chow your money.
Kubantu abenzi art bayazi ukuthi kuwo wonke ama-minister abakhona kumkhakha we-art and culture, yi-minister yokuqala le efika nento ukuthi asicabangele abantu laba esibabiza ngama-legend sibe khona abakutholayo ngoba basebenzile. Into eyenziwayo nje umuntu uyashona akhande anika umncwabo omkhulu ahlonishweke kuyodlalwa ingoma zakhe eredweni kusuka ngomsombuluko kuze aze angcwatshwe kukhulunywe ngaye kubalwa indima ayidlalile whether usemculweni whether ube actor noma ubenzani kungokuqala ukuthi kube nalokho. Sithi isiZulu umlungisi uzithela isisilo, angazi noma lesizulu sisho lento engiyibonayo na ukuthi uGayton Mackenzie ufela ukuthi uyazama ukulungisa la urectify ama mistake angawakhozanga wenza into amanye ama minister we sports arts and culture angakaza yenze. Ngicela siqhubeke.
It's a culmination of a work we've started from 1994 to find the right place in the annals of history of the struggle, the role played by artists.
Government needs to recognize us as artists as honestly earning workers.
You know, what is the most important thing that Gayton Mackenzie has done? Previously, our artists have done Bekula. The government knowing that they are not well, they wait to give you Panados when you are dead. And they throw a huge funeral. That money could have been used for you to eat and to go to the doctor.
Artists say this will come in handy because they are no longer getting gigs as before.
Just the recognition, it's not about the money, just the recognition and the respect that we've been afforded today as the elders in the industry. It's complete. It just blew my mind. I didn't know what to expect. I didn't know why we were called here today. And then I found out that the initiative came from the Deputy Minister of Arts and Culture.
Uyasichazela umama lo mara lo bayamaza amanywa kwa acting mbanga okudala ukuthi lento ebeyenzakalayo la ifike no deputy minister i-deputy yakhe uGayton Mackenzie kodwa yena wayithathela phezulu ngoba elibona iqhaza idlalwa ama-artist. So ngiyazi ukuthi i-freedom of speech ikhona futhi uyakwazi ukuthatha ifoni yakho ushoot ukhulume noma yini ngoba unelungelo eSouth Africa. Kodwa kwesinye isikhathi iyadingeka ukuthi umuntu enze research ngaphambi bakhulume. Mhlawumbe ungizwe ufuna kuze kubonakala ukuthi uyasebenza uminister afocuse kumaskandi. Mhlawumbe kuminister akakenze enough for umaskandi, but ngiyakhumbula ukuthi kwenye video ukhona la aqashe khona uMayogathi khona lo bhuti lo mfishane wamqasha wamgibeza indiza wamkhokhela yonke into ngoba artist bemrecognize ukuthi uyi-artist lika maskandi. So ngizama ukuthi kwesinye isikhathi labantu abakhulumayo abangama influencer njengongizwe kwesinye isikhathi bayakhuluma into bengena research. Abantu abangama artist uma bezoba neqiniso njengoba ubezwa laba bekhuluma abangama legend abangasanakiwe njengoba basawathola phela amagig kanjwa nama artist amasha bazi kahle ukuthi bayaqala bona ukunakwa. Uthi ubaba uJohn Kani uthi from 1994 kuthatha uhulumeni omnyama akukaze kwafika la bekhunjulwa khona. That's why bathi nje ngale nje ukuthi bazonikwa imali kodwa nje ukurecognizewa njengabantu abasebenzayo. Ngo2020 ama-artist ashaya itoyitoyi athi no uPresident Cyril Ramaphosa ucater for bonke abantu ababonayo ukuthi ba-affectwe i-COVID except for bona. Kodwa qhamuka umuntu okhuluma njengongizwe ngicela ukumcaphuna futhi uGayton Mackenzie.
I love hip hop, but the main message I have for everybody here is that there's something that we can all learn, but something I think the hip hop guys in this country should learn. You are not fighting enough for your space. Your space is being overtaken by different genres. You've carried the culture, you've carried the music industry. you've basically carried us. But I just think that you are fragmented in you have beef instead of instead of chicken. You have beef instead of chicken. But on a serious note, I can tell you just three things. Number one, you gotta fight for your space. You are in a very tough industry. I know there's exploitation. I know there's people ignoring you. That's about to change, let me tell you. I have a corporate background. I've got a commercial background. So you're going to deal with all of those things. But while we fight for you, you should fight for yourself. Because I don't want to fight for people, they don't fight for themselves. And we can't just have one concert like back to the city. We need like 12 a year so that you can. Yesterday I had a meeting with Afrikaners at the Woordfeest. They said something so important. And I was telling Bakang, I said, Bakang, you know what? She asked me, what did you learn from that meeting? I said one thing. They said they exist purely to make sure the artists and the creatives stay working. You understand? So I'm saying to you, from my side as your new Minister of Sport, Arts and Culture, we're going to change stuff. It's going to be new. I want to make a promise right here that from our department, it's a promise I'm making, and I know Bakang and Tiki is going like, what is he going to say? What is he going to say? What is he going to say? If you have sugar water for after the promise, give it to them. I just want to say that I do believe that we should have 12 concerts here, which I want to, you all live, you all on Instagram and whatever, so I can't lie publicly. I am saying for the culture, there's going to be 12 concerts, and we will pay for those concerts. But one condition.
What's the condition?
There's one condition. Smartness. There's one condition. Before we will make R1 million a month available for the concerts. And there's one condition. We want to see how many people are working and how much are they getting paid. We don't want to fund exploitation. And we want you guys to share it amongst 12 of you. So when you have a concert, it doesn't need to be one person. Because that is part of the plans I have. So you guys need to get together and say, all right, we're going to have January, we're going to have February. And don't let us get there and then you have a telephone.
Uminister Gayton Mackenzie uthi uzolekelela ama-artist lawa we-hip hop ukuthi axhase imicimbi yabo. Wenzise ithembiso la uthi futhi kungcono baba live ngeke aqamba amanga ebeshuthwa la. Uzokwenza isethembiso ukuthi uyabalekelela ukuze nabo bakhule kodwa ufuna nabo bazilwela. Futhi uyabatshela ukuthi njengomuntu one corporate background lento exploitation seyizophela. Angeke ngichaze lento ama-artist amaningi doesn't matter ukuphi gender yomculo bashawa indaba yokunga-understand ama-contract. Umuntu asayina ama-contract athathe amalungelo wakhe wonke awaphi ikhampani. Yingakho sinama-artist ashona ngenamali, umculo wabo uqhubeka udlalwe emarediyweni, umculo wabo baqhubeka benza ama-best of bawathengise, iy'ngane zakhe zingatholi lutho ngoba wasayina yena i-contract yena. So ilento esho uminister la kune-statement asisho mayiqala ivideo wathi a kid in sport is a kid out of court. Lesa statement isibaluleke kakhulu kubantu abaziyo abasey'koleni lezi ezingama-public school noma iy'kole zasemalokishini noma ezasemakhaya. Isports asikho. Uma kukhona isport khona ukugijima nebhola. Isport siningi la emhlabeni. Netball, kukhona i-basketball, kukhona i-volleyball, kukhona i-tennis, kukhona i-cricket, kukhona abaswimayo. Wonke lawo ma-sports lawo azofika nini? Uma sinominister onjengoGayton Mackenzie njengoba ephusha lezi zinto ungizwakhala ngazo, mhlambe kothi kufika isikhathi sakhe sokuthi uyaphuma la uyobe sezi-implementile ezinye. Manje ke nginye ngadumala mangizwa kukhuluma umuntu onjengongizwe ngathi noma ngingafuni ukumkhulumela uminister kodwa khona izinto engizibonile ngazizwa uminister ezenzela ama-artist. Ngakho-ke ngeke ngivume ukuthi kusuka umuntu nje akhulume nje ngoba ene freedom of speech, ene-data nesikhathi sokuthi azishuthe akwazi uku-upload. Cha, noma umuntu kuthiwa u-wrong kangakanani, noma kuthiwa umuntu awumthandi kangakanani, uma yenza into e-wrong mgxeke, uma yenza into e-right mncome. Yebo, uGayton Mackenzie unamaphutha wakhe, nami khona izinto azenza engavumelani naye ngazo, kodwa kule ama-artist akufanelanga siqamba amanga sithi akukho akwenzayo. Njengoba ama-genre engaka wo-music enalesikhathi anaso, phela sikhumbule ukuthi ubekwe ngonyaka ophelile, so kufuneka abe ngapha kwi-sports, abe ngapha kwi-arts. Art kwakhona ihlukene, bengisabala nje ama-genre ambalwa, sikhiphe nje okumbalwa, kodwa-ke asithi kule mizamo yakhe asimququmezele ukuze imizamo yakhe iqhubeke phambili. Engikufisayo mina nje personal ukuthi upresident uCyril Ramaphosa mayireshafla icabinet lakhe angathi angangamkhipha uGayton Mackenzie kulesikhundla sibambile, ngoba siyayibona imisebenzi. Ngokuqala uminister osukumela isports ngalendlela, kuningi engingakusho, kodwa-ke ngicela ukuyibamba la. Ngiyacela ukuze ukuphawula kwakho la ku-comment section ngizwe ukuthi wena ubona kanjani. Ngibuyele kule ndaba le yama-donation angithi ngiyawacela ngama-membership. Cha, i-YouTube i-aware ukuthi ayisikhokheli imali eningi, ngaleso sizathu kuvumelekile ukuthi sicele. Ingakho uhlelo nje lama-membership uhlelo le-YouTube. Amanye ama-content creators afaka ama-account number wabo ukuthi abantu abafuna ukudonata bangabadonatela khona. Ngiyabonga kakhulu.